everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Shazin here, and today I'm back with a new interesting topic. So that is image generation. So let's start the video. Now I will show you step by step. So let's start. So the first step is you have to open Google Chrome. Then step 2, you have to search Ideogram. Then step 3, you have to click on this website. It needs the loading. Then lastly, step 4, you have to give your prompt, like I will give. This. I kept playing with the mouse. So here it is generating the photo. And there are also many kinds of photos. You can download that. And the photo is done. So here's the cat, and he's playing with a, I think, squishy mouse or a toy. This. And you can also download it from here. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something new. Take care. Bye bye.